How to download Garry's mod on PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you need to launch your Steam in your PC. Make sure you are logged in into your Steam account. You can easily get the verified Garry's mod for your PC. In the search bar, all you have to do is search for Garry's mod. Currently, as you can see, it is $4.99. You can purchase the Face Punch Complete bundle or just Garry's mod. Tap on Add to Cart in any of the edition that you prefer to download into your PC. Once you select on Add to Cart, you need to tap on View My Cart option, in which tap on Continue to Payment in order to check out and purchase your Garry's mod. Select a payment method. If you select any of the debit or credit card, you need to fill out this form type of layout, after which you'll be able to get yourself your Garry's mod. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.